Hello everybody, I'm back from my Cappadocia tour and let's have a look at some of the photographs, particularly this one. As I said before, and probably I will say many times, that post-processing is half of making photographs. But in some cases, in some very rare cases like this one, you can get away with very little post-processing because the lighting conditions already do the job for you. Because here we have very little tone range. Most of this photograph is dark tones, and as we can see it here in the histogram, and we have very little light tones here. So it's fairly simple in terms of tone range, and you can get away with very little post processing. Let's have a look at what I did to this photograph. I imported it and it was like this. I pushed the auto settings, auto here. I cropped it again, and cropped it again. That's it. 4 steps: auto settings and crop. Right now, I'm not sure I like this curvature here, but I'll leave it that way and decide later. And for me, for the most part, this photo seems to be done. Sure, I can tweak it a little bit more. I can play with other settings to my liking, but it's fairly simple. The tones are good. The contrast between the sky and the light part of this balloon is very balanced in my opinion. We have some people here and I quite like this photograph. To me, there is little more to do this photograph at this point. So I'm just going to have these blacks lift a little bit here. Just to remove the pure blacks from the image. I like it that way. A little curve contrast, darken the shadows, and a little bit of highlights. S-curve, classic S-curve. And let's see the change. Yeah, minimal and nice. So let's see sharpening. Let's mask the sharpening effect and a little bit more sharpening to the image. Probably you're not seeing the difference, but I'm seeing. We have a little bit of chromatic aberration. Remove chromatic aberration. I'm just not going to enable profile correction. It seems nice to me this way. And I'm going to just add a little bit of grain. Okay. That's it. And the photo is ready, in my opinion, to publish and to show you. Alright, I hope you liked this video. More are going to come. See you next time.